but pressure always answers. I warned you softly once. You mistook quiet for weakness. You kept pushing, you kept testing the edge of me. Step back, I said step back. The collapse you wanted is already moving. You kept pressing into danger you didn't understand. Gotcha, now it answers you. I held my fire, I held my voice. You insisted on seeing what happens when I stop holding. This is the collapse you instigated. I don't raise my hands without reason, but you gave me one. You kept pushing, you kept provoking. Now you learn why they warned you. I didn't come here to destroy anything. You built the moment yourself. You leaned into the danger. You sought the breaking point. You wanted to see what I do. So what? I won't apologize for consequences you triggered. I won't soften my voice to spare you. You asked for the collapse, and the collapse answers. You kept pressing, you kept digging, you kept tearing the part of me that doesn't back down. And now it stands in front of you. This is the collapse you instigated. Everything falling is just cause and effect. You kept provoking, you kept denying the warning. Now you know why. You wanted to test me, so this is the answer you earn. The collapse isn't mine, it's yours.